Alright guys, so I recently got this Dell optiplex 3050 with a Core i3 7100, and I'm running a little experiment right now. So I am going to put the computer into sleep mode where this is flashing, and I'm going to remove the CPU while it's in that mode. So put it in sleep. This is flashing. There it goes. I got the little fan right here. So I'm going to take this off. Then remove the CPU. And it's still flashing. And now I'm going to put it back in. Put this little heatsink back on, copper block, then touch the keyboard. Flashed red for a second, but then it just boots right back up. It's just a quick video for y'all. Experiments. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. And if you like it, please like the video.